In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do SEO on Squarespace, 5 minutes. Whether you're just getting started with building your Squarespace website or you're looking to fine-tune your site for better visibility on search engines, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps you need to optimize your SEO. Squarespace offers some powerful built-in tools to help, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to boost your site's performance and reach. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start building your website today. Alright, let's get started. First, head over to the Squarespace website and log into your account. If you've already linked your Squarespace site to your Google account, you can also choose the Continue with Google option for a quicker login process. Either approach works, just pick the one that's most convenient for you. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your account's backend. From here, navigate to your website's dashboard. This is the control hub where you can access and manage all the key features of your site. Now, scroll toward the lower section of the dashboard and click on the option labeled Settings. This will open a menu with all the configuration tools you'll need. Next, within the Settings menu, look for Marketing and click on it. The Marketing section is where Squarespace stores all the tools designed to help you promote and grow your website. Once you're in, you'll see several options, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on SEO appearance, so go ahead and select that. Now that you're in the SEO appearance section, you'll notice a helpful SEO checklist provided by Squarespace. This checklist is a curated guide tailored to help you optimize your website for search engines. It includes recommendations like setting up your page titles and meta descriptions, ensuring your content is structured in a way that search engines can understand. Take a moment to review the checklist carefully, as it's designed to point out areas where your website can improve. Squarespace makes it easy to follow these steps, so start applying the recommendations outlined in the checklist. For instance, you might update your page titles to include relevant keywords or make sure your descriptions are clear and engaging. By doing this, you're helping search engines understand the purpose of your pages, which in turn makes it easier for people to find your site online. Keep in mind that SEO is not a one-and-done task, it's an ongoing process. So revisit these tools and the checklist periodically to update your site and ensure it continues to perform well. As search engine algorithms evolve, staying consistent and proactive with your SEO efforts will pay off in the long run. And that's it. You've just learned how to optimize your website's SEO using Squarespace's built-in tools. By following these steps, you're setting your site up for better visibility and a stronger presence online. If you have any questions or want to share your own tips for Squarespace SEO, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.